All right, guys, here we go. Going to take a quick look at natural gas. And currently up on the chart is the daily chart of the standard natural gas futures. And this is what we base our UNG, Boyle, Southwestern Energy, everything else uh, natural gas related to this chart here, okay? And we are looking to possibly take a short position for the simple reason we're expecting a pullback here as everything trades in threes. Okay, anytime you have a up swing, you come back in, and then possibly a continuation. Not always, and if you don't, you have a M formation. Okay, and you have a high, lower high, and then you go back and retest those lows. So that's what we have to, what we're anticipating. First of all, we're on a strong time count. Second of all, we've been almost straight up, and nothing goes, straight up forever. Even this downtrend did not go, straight down the whole time. You had, these pause candles, little upswings here and there. So that's what we're anticipating here. The more shallow the pullback, and that's probably a bad pullback, maybe into this support zone here, and then we wait for a green bullish engulfing takeout clearing candle, however you want to call it, and then another push possibly to the upside into that $3 zone. Okay, and if that doesn't happen, then yeah, we'll have that high where we are now, pull back, a second attempt. If we can't take out that high, then yeah, we'll come back in. Let me show you better, maybe a slide, and then we'll come back in until we do find possible support. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Yeah, we could trade sideways here and then continue up because these sideways consolidation zones, they break real hard, as you can see, to the downside or upside. And I want to take off. Well, I'm not going to take it all off. Let me just remove it. As you can see, we were in an inside bar right here. Okay, this little hint, and everything trading inside of that red candle. Okay, now you can wick over it, under it, and this is horrible lines, but at some point you're going to break down through it, or you'll break up through it. So if we do start consolidating sideways, we'll look for that. We'll look for a bigger bar to measure that distance, and then if we get a breakout and up and over it, great. Or if we break out down below it, we'll run with that as well. Let me check something real quick. I'm going to put you on pause. Let me check something real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I had another trade going over here on Apple. Now this is the 2-minute chart. Now see, when I put everything on, we were hitting this major resistance area up here forever. Okay, and then we went short in here, and then now that's that inside bar that I'm talking about. See that red candle, everything, wicking above it, but we couldn't get a confirmed and follow through of a process to the upside price action. Even this one at one time was green, and then we rolled over. So that's a key. There's people, quite frankly, that do nothing but trade, off the daily chart or even these smaller time frames, 2-minute charts, and make a living off of these inside bar patterns. They just wait for it to break, sit on their hands, wait for a confirmation, or as a candle close, follow through either to the upside, which a lot of people got head faked right here, to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so going back to our natural gas, yeah, so that's what will be, that's what happened here. As you can see, we didn't go long anywhere in here until we broke to the downside. So that's just an example. We're even pulling back a little bit here as well. So anyway, personally I think the odds are more to the downside now. At least kind of a little profit taking. We'll see how shallow or how deep that process is, into first and next week. But okay, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time, and we will see you on the charts.